All my hair is under the wig. This is all the wig right here. Okay? Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by WowAfrican. They sent me this unit to try for you guys. Now this is a 360 hybrid hairline, and I installed this wig without bobby pins and only a teensy bit of spray. Just a little tapping around the hairline. That's it. The rest of this is just glueless. Yeah. So if you want to see how I styled this wig out the pack, make sure you stay tuned for that. As always, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. So like I said, this unit comes to us from WowAfrican. All the specs for my unit and the products that I'm using in this video will be down in my description box. So if you want to check it out, you can. Let's go ahead and talk about this wig really quick because I did not wash her. Okay, that was for good reason because I like the curl. But I also want to show you guys what it looks like if you do wet the hair. This is the 3A hybrid hairline twisted curly unit. I got it in 22 inches and 180% density. As you can see, there's no whiteness peeking through the back of this wig. So if you hold your wig up like this out the pack and you can see white going through the wig, she not right. Now obviously I see white a little bit on the front and the back because obviously the front and the back is usually thinner, but the bulk of the wig, 180. I usually don't have issues with WowAfrican when it comes to the density of their wigs anyway, so that's always good. Okay, you can kind of see the texture in the wig. It does say it is a natural curl, but on the website it does say twisted curly natural curl. Out the pack it feels like a light yaki unit with a curl. However, when you wet the hair, the curl pattern changes. Feels a lot sleeker. So in order to get your curl back to this, I would suggest you use your curl products. And I have done this on other wigs. I'm not gonna do it today because I'm gonna style the wig pretty much out the pack. Do it side by side here. Wet is on this side, dry is on this side, okay? A lot stringier. So normally for my textured wigs, I will wash the hair or wet the hair first, and then I use my Nairobi mousse on top, and then I go in to define and clump the curls with the curl cream. I heard that these are really good as well. The Dew texture cream, and you have the defining gel. And then you will use your detangler brush to define or clump the curls, spot check with your finger coils, and then you will go in and diffuse the hair. Put your diffuser on your blow dryer and diffuse it. Diffuse the hair until it's dry. Once it is dry, you can go in and shake it out, pick it with a pick to add some volume. I will put a video down below showing you guys exactly what I'm talking about when it comes to styling my curly wigs. But today I'm going to be styling this wig in an updo because I want to utilize the curl that it already has, spot check where I need it, but mainly focus on the hairline and the perimeter of the wig because it is a 360 hybrid hairline all the way around. So I want to show you guys how that's going to look. Sorry for talking so much, but I had to explain to y'all what, you know, what's going on. Cut these ear tabs off. Make sure I don't cut into the Invisi-strap that comes on this band. So I'm just going to cut as close as I can to that hairline. I washed my hair and then I greased it and let it pretty much air dry. And my coils are really tight, which I actually kind of think is cute. But y'all see my hair is growing back from my big chop last year. I want to flatten it as much as possible. Fold that over in the back so I can get the cap as tight as possible. I like these caps because they're, you know, they're easy on my edges. Okay, I gotta tint my lace. I like to use my makeup powder. This is my Black Radiant Soft Focus powder in the color Creamy Bronze. I also use the color Milk Chocolate if I need a darker tint. Make sure I put that all around the back. This wig does come with the adjustable elastic band as well as the silicone grips around the wig as you saw in my unboxing. I know y'all come here for the wig review, so this is what I'm doing. I'm showing you guys how the wig can be styled out the pack as well as telling you guys what to expect for the unit moving forward. It does come with the Invisi-straps around the back, but I'm not going to use that yet because I want to make sure the wig can fit around my head first. I know my head is 23, gang, all right, big every day. This wig does come in small, medium, and large. I'm pretty sure they sent me the standard medium cap though. Bring down the front. Let's go. You can see my my band. So let's just fix that. Turn the band around. If I put it the other way, it's kind of pulling against the wig, which I don't want. So you need to put the hooks on the opposite side so that the white part isn't showing based on how these are in the wig. Yeah, doesn't matter how I put it. So I'm just gonna take that out. Put it back over my head. Okay, so now you don't see it. Clip this up so I can tighten the straps in the back if I need to. Pull it a little bit tighter, like this, and tighten it down, just to make it a little bit more snug. So this is how that's looking around my ear. Not too shabby. Bring that hair out. It's pretty much fitting my head perfectly without the band. Like this was causing the wig to kind of pull back a little bit too much. So if you have a big head and the wig is just fitting a little bit too snug, like it's not, you know, fitting correctly, take off the band. I'm not gonna pluck anything. I'm gonna leave the hairline as it is. The hairline looks crazy at first. You gotta make it work. I am feeling a little slight pulling right here, so I may need to spray it down just in the front to hold it. To mold the edges, I'm gonna use my Nairobi mousse. I need a lot of it because I want my edges to be laid down. Kind of rub that in. Bring back what I'm not gonna use. Bring down what I will. Put my glasses on because I cannot see. I'm trying to do this in the dark, child. Okay, so I want this to go back. And I want these to come down a little bit. Try to move my hairline down some. I want a little bit more coverage over here. Use those edges like that. All my hair is under the wig. This is all the wig right here. Okay, I could leave it how it is, but because I know this is gonna slide a little bit, I'm gonna use my my Glueless spray, my Ultimate Hold Glueless spray, and I'm gonna spray it right here in the front. And I'm gonna spray some right here and right here. Not a lot, I just wanna make sure I keep the lace where it is. I'm also gonna put some mousse in the back here, just to make sure this is, you know, curly as well. I don't want it to be dry looking. Take my edge brush, just brush down a little bit of that hair. Make it all cute around my nape. Wrap it down. Let's get this ponytail how I want it. First, let me show you guys the hair out. I want the ponytail to be up here, up, and up. A little bit closer. And then I'm gonna do another one right here. So lift it up a little bit higher. Comb it out. I'm going to trim some of my ends just a little bit. Then I'm going to use some product on the ends to define it. A little bit more right there. Take my paddle brush and just tease it up. Because I sprayed it down, I'm gonna make sure I pull it from the top down. It helps alleviate that white cast. Where's my brush? Brush some of this out. The product will make it look a little crunchy. Just brush over it. The hair's loosened. There we go. Let me check the back. It's pretty flat. I could have cut some of this out right here to kind of make the hairline a little bit more like angled. Because I did not cut that off, that lace off, I'm gonna use my powder to kind of break it up a little bit. Right here. This one right here needs to come out. There we go. Put the powder right there. Just doing my finishing touches. Brush some of this back over here. You can see a little bit of my edges, like you see right here. This is the lace. Let me see, I wanna make sure it doesn't make it too light. Let me try to use my pressed powder. This is the milk chocolate color. And then I'll use a little bit of my contour color. So my contour palette, this color, a little bit of that on top. It's all about color correcting. I don't want to use my cream contour because sometimes it'll show up as orange depending on the lighting. That'll do. Do I need bobby pins back here? I don't think I do. I could bring some hairs down if I wanted. Trying to make it look as natural as possible. I'm gonna use a little bit of my hair perfume just because I didn't wash it. Didn't have a strong chemical smell, but it has a smell, okay? It's a processed curl. Okay, y'all, so here is the final look. We got her together. It's definitely given like 5-day wear, and I had to put up in a ponytail and she still looked good. When it comes to the hair and the quality, they are saying this wig is no shedding, no tangle. When I wet that section of hair, I did not get no shedding or tangling when I did that. As soon as I wet it and brushed it through, that's what it was. There was no pull with the unit. But since I kind of teased my hair up and back combed it, I may get some tangling. Okay, so make sure you understand that when it comes to your styling, you may end up putting tangles in your wig, which will cause shedding. From my trend analysis, when it comes to curly wigs that are more of a natural texture, it's gonna happen. But yeah, y'all, this is how we are looking. I didn't pluck nothing off my hairline. I wish I would have like slick this back a little bit, just a little bit more. The wig around my head looks good. I have no complaints whatsoever. That's all wig, y'all. That is a wig. But y'all tell me what you think about this one. Would you be able to do this? Again, I wanted to make this as beginner friendly as possible without using a bunch of product. I just wanted to style the hair out the pack. I'm happy with this one. Now, you may not be happy with that price point, depending on your budget, okay? So while you figure that out, I'm gonna figure out where I'm going, because you know, people need to see me. Shout out one more time to WowAfrican for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below, so if you guys wanna check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.